Volunteers are rallying around the Living Free Animal Sanctuary in Mountain Center after it was impacted by recent storms. News Channel 3's Jennifer Franco has a look at the damage and what you can do to help ongoing recovery efforts.
Ruh-roh spaghetti-o.
This is one employee's reaction after seeing the aftermath of heavy snowfall at the Living Free Animal Sanctuary in Mountain Center. These horse sheds are now unusable and will be torn down. Their roofs caved in under the weight of wet snow. This one only partially bent, while another touches the ground, something Ray Barmore is now dealing with.
It happens occasionally in this. They've been there for several years and gone through a lot of winters and a lot of snow, but this was just more than they could handle.
Right now, there are 13 horses in an area meant for 8, a temporary solution until new sheds are built. But construction won't start for another 2 to 3 months until conditions dry out. Now that the sun has come out, we're going from snow to mud.
Has this affected operations at all?
Not the dogs and cats. It has affected the horse operations. I had a couple of workshops scheduled that we've had to put off because the arena was buried in snow.
As residents in surrounding communities continue to dig out, others are helping where they can.
I had some veterans come in and we worked down there at the stables and got some good work done, getting some stem walls put up to keep the mud out.
Ray says it'll cost between $35,000 to $40,000 to replace the damaged horse shelters and says donations would help. In Mountain Center, Jennifer Franco, News Channel 3.
If you're interested in helping the Living Free Animal Sanctuary, you can find information on how to do that on our website, kesq.com.